In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can publish your Replit app. Open up Replit, click on apps, and then just find the app which you want to publish. Now, once within the app itself, you will see the blue publish button in the top right, and you can just click on publish here to get access to your app. And if you want to publish it on the App Store or Google Play Store, what we can do is just copy the domain for our app after we have published it, and then you will go to this website, median.co. You can paste your link here for your app, and then this is going to turn your app into a native app. So you just click on start building my app, and here you can follow the progress which it makes. It's going to build it for iPhone and Android as well. And after this has built, you can just click on build and download, and right here, if you click on build, you can get the IPA file for iOS and also the APK file for Android. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.